guys, it's D-Dog here, and Upgirl123, and today we're just gonna hang out with her and her. Okay, so anyway, yeah. So now she has a channel. It's they're outside. They're like doing construction or something. Oh, it's so annoying if you can hear it. Anyway, and her too. I'm not sure, but I think they're sisters. I think they mentioned that. Yeah. So that's their sisters. Okay. So anyway, it's her. I keep clicking her name tags, and that's her. Okay. So, she has a channel. Just wait a few minutes, and I will see this. Okay. So her channel is lemon806. I'm not sure if her sister has a channel, but anyway, that's her channel. Please go subscribe. She only has 3 subscribers right now, but she needs more. So, yeah. So anyway, these 2 people are really nice, especially her. Her. Animals. And, oops. There you go. He's behind. Mixed up. And I'm turned into her today because I like her outfit. And yeah. So anyway, they're really nice. Like, really nice. And like, yeah, so go subscribe to Lemon. I have to go check. Lemon. I'm just like, lemon. Oh, wait. Okay. Sorry, it's gonna take a few minutes. So, anyway, I'll just click them in. Oh, sorry. Anyway. Yeah, so go subscribe to her. She is awesome. Really awesome. Okay, guys. Super awesome. Both of them are okay. Both of them are super awesome. And they're sisters, and her channel is lemon806. Yeah. So yeah, guys. And it's the dream holidays, and today's gift, I forgot what it was. Not worn. Was it furniture? Oops. Oh, it's chair. Okay. It was a chair. Okay, guys. It was a chair. Okay. It was a chair. It was like a chair. Yeah. And so, please go subscribe and buddy them, because they are awesome. All of them are. These 2 are awesome. And Upgirl123. And go check out all of our videos and please subscribe. Okay, bye guys.